Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your weekly analysis for gold done on Wednesday 17th of April. I'm recording this video now nearly 10 in the evening New York time on Wednesday the 17th New York time. I'm going back to my original wave count which expected downwards movement. Prices breached the targets I had calculated, so I'm calculating new downwards targets, and I have a short-term target for you. This is all within a primary C wave, which will reach 1.618, the length of primary A, at 1151. Within primary C, we're within the third wave, and it looks like the strong movement for these 2 days was the middle of the third wave. It's not over yet. We've still got more downwards movement with a series of fourth wave corrections along the way. Intermediate wave 3 will reach 4.236, the length of intermediate wave 1, at 1232. When I have the ends of minor 3 and 4 within it, I'll use minor degree to recalculate and refine this target, so it might widen to a small zone. Within intermediate wave 3, we have minor 1, 2, and now 3, still incomplete but just past the middle of it. Within minor 3, we have minute 1 with a slightly truncated fifth wave, 2 and minute 3 still incomplete. Within it, it looks like we have minuet 1, 2 and 3 complete, 4 probably complete. It could move a bit higher though. I'll look at that possibility on the hourly chart. It's most likely complete, and we're most likely towards the end of this third wave. At 1279, minuet wave 5, if it's begun here, would reach 1.618, the length of minuet wave 1. There's no Fibonacci ratio between minuet waves 1 and 3, so it is more likely that we will see a ratio between the fifth wave and either the first or third. At 1273, minute wave 3 would reach 2.618, the orthodox length of minute wave 1, so that gives us just a $6 target zone for some more downwards movement. About this point, we should see a bounce for a longer lasting fourth wave correction, maybe a couple of weeks or so, and then more downwards movement to end minor 3, another fourth wave correction again a couple of weeks or so, more downwards movement, and so on. Minute wave 4, after this third wave is done, may not move back into minute wave 1 price territory above 1555.16. Let's have a look at this structure on the hourly chart, where the start of minuet wave 3 up here, the middle of the third wave, and the strongest downwards movement is this point. I've drawn this parallel channel around this third wave from the low of minuet wave 1, green 1, you see on the daily chart, to this low here of minuet wave 3. I placed a parallel copy on the high of 2 but pushed it out to this high here of microwave 2 to contain all of this movement. It looks most like this fourth wave is over. There's nice alternation between minuet 4 as a single zigzag and minuet 2 as a double zigzag. If the fourth wave is over here and the fifth wave has begun, we should see new lows. But if the fourth wave continues further sideways as a flat, we could have a 3, 3 and a 5 up. If it moves price higher and sideways, it can't move into minuet wave 1 price territory. That's at 1540.24. If it does continue further sideways, I'd expect it to find resistance at the upper edge of this parallel channel, so keep drawing it on the hourly chart. It'll continue to be useful. It's most likely that this fourth wave is over. There's nice alternation with it and the second wave, and it's a complete structure. It looks like we've got a fifth wave downwards unfolding, which may hug the midline of this channel, or if it gets down there, find support at the lower edge. So my original wave count expected downwards movement to increase somewhat in momentum. That's what we got, but my targets weren't low enough. I've recalculated them using the next Fibonacci ratio in the sequence. We have new targets, and this downwards movement is not over yet. I think we've seen the strongest momentum past. Downwards movement should continue with a series of fourth wave corrections increasing in duration. That's all for me today with your gold analysis, and I hope that everybody had a fabulous week.